Oh, the worst thing I can ever imagine has happened to me. I have baby sharks stuck in my fucking head. Welcome back to the Shindig. I would like to preface this video by saying I was playing with makeup and I pulled this out, this Patrick Ta Mist. I have used this all of like once and I think it's fucking empty because like all the aerosol has drained out of it some way. And I went to spray it on me. Nothing. It just pisses down its own leg. I mean, you can't even see that. Oh, there it is. Oh. So earlier, I just like went for it and I got this fucking editorial speckle pattern on my face and I rubbed it in, like my hand's still shimmery, but like, oh my god, I'm still finding more of it. I looked down and it was like speckled all over my pants. It's still all over the floor. Not amused. Okay, let me stop bullshitting around. So, today's video, let me set the background for this conversation. I was sent an email by someone I didn't know asking me if I wanted some free shit. And I was like, and it was this brand over here. Since I already have a Clarisonic, I figured that we could do a little battle of the, you know, are all these brush dupes to Clarisonics, are they worth it? In the description box below, I will have like the website's information. There's even a promo code that you can use to get 70% off. And realistically, this comes out to just $28, which $28 is pretty much the price of a brush head for a Clarisonic unit. So I am curious. So let's open the box, let's dissect this. I thought to make this a little bit more interesting that I have this UV paint by Suba Beauty, and I've got a black light. See how that illuminates? We're gonna really see if you can see any of this left on the face. Ooh, she bright. Should I do it like this? I'm sitting in the dark with a purple flashlight. Da-na-na-na. So without further ado, let's read about this. So this booger, the main difference, and I'll go back and forth. So this is by a brand called Duvolle. This is a battery operated brush unit and it comes, so one, you've got a pumice stone, which TBH, pretty fucking excited to play with that one. And in the instruction book it actually says to soak your feet for a while, which ain't no big, I'm glad to do that, and then go to town. You've got your cleansing brush head, your exfoliating brush head, which actually you can feel a pretty good difference between. And then something I actually do like is this big fat one is a body brush, and since that Patrick Ta Mist just exploded all over my fucking body, that's gonna come in handy to get everything off. So this one, like I just said, is battery operated, and in reading the instruction it stays on until you turn it off. And it is supposed to be water resistant. It holds 4 AA batteries, which is more than my remote control, so I'm already a little inquisitive about that. But your boo stocks up on batteries at Harbor Freight. Let's see what this sounds like. And its brush head just goes in one constant circular motion. I believe the Clarisonic goes like, and so I don't know if you can tell, I actually have my Clarisonic plugged in. It has like a magnetic plug and it vibrates every time you undo it. Let's see, you hear this? I'm gonna end up breaking this thing. Which I do appreciate that you don't crack it open and you don't have any opportunity for water to get in any way, shape, or form. But this is my Clarisonic, this is my Mia 2. I've had this for probably 2 years now. And with this one, you have a power on and off button, and you have 2 different speed settings that you can adjust. This one does do, I want to say it's 60 seconds. No, it's longer than that. But it does like 30 seconds, or maybe it's 20, I don't know. So you do on both sides of your face. You have another 20 seconds, then you have 10 seconds to go everywhere else. 90 seconds, that's what it is. Which I do appreciate. And this one, you twist to take your brush heads off and replace them, but I need to charge this. So you can see this is what this sounds like. The inner brush head is actually moving, the outer one isn't. So, that's enough, Allison. So they're pretty much, you know, very similar size. One's a little bit more barbell looking, one's a little bit more dildo looking. It's whatever. Let's make a little mockery of ourselves, shall we? Who's going to be sacrificed today? My concealer brush looks like he's ready to roll. So this is a UV paint. Can I get a high five for doing that in the viewfinder? Draw those under eye bags. Accentuate the brow. Do I look dumb? You don't have to answer that. I love my mustache. Poppin'. So I'm just about to start washing my face because God knows I need to now. And I realized I went and got a bowl and sat down and didn't put any fucking water in it. God bless me. And so on today's menu, I'm going to use a small combination of these 2 things. So this is the polish by Lancer, and this is the moisturizing foam cleanser by Laneige. And this is how I'm gonna do it for both of these. Dunkaroos it in the water, and then a little squeegee across. And you see like how much of the Lancer I put out. It's literally like the amount of Neosporin you put on a cut. I should like rinse my face, but I ain't no punk bitch. Here's my Clarisonic. And I always like fill up the little circle in the center because I'm dumb. I know. I really need to charge this motherfucker. To be honest, my Clarisonic kind of just feels more powerful. And so this is gonna stop on its own after that last beep. Just as gross. I have yet to stain a freaking Clarisonic head, to be honest with you. They always somehow come out clean after I wash it. Woo! My eyeball. God bless my eyeball. Take a little dab and like actually wipe the soap residue off my face. So like for me, when I wash my face, I like to wash in the bathtub or hanging over the bathtub because I'll be honest with you, I'm like a bird in a bird bath. Like I get water everywhere. So if I'm hanging over something upside down and water can just drip off my face and not run down my arms, you know, and all that kind of story. Whew. I've got a lot of issues apparently when it comes to washing my face. I'm the same way with brushing my teeth. I love to hover over the fucking bathtub. And so, I gotta say what the fuck, is that from a towel? So I've got like powder blue residue along my eye, whereas I don't so much here. I've got like a little flake of mascara or something. And I really don't see any of my foundation. I do see some orange in my hairline, but that's like, I didn't even draw that close to my hairline. I got some orange up here, all along my hairline. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. Now for the real entertaining aspect of all of this. My lips. Okay, so it's like wherever I moved it around, is where it still is, apparently. Do I blame the cleansing tool? Or do I blame my dumbass for not cleaning my face correctly? So that's neither here nor there. I think it's a fabulous little tool for the price that you pay. I'm gonna have UV boogers for a while. What I'm gonna do next, so I'm gonna wipe down both sides of my face with my favorite, the Sun and Park Beauty Water, which is almost empty and I'm pretty sad about it. I've gone through countless bottles of this. It is so good. This is the only like micellar thing that I've ever tried that has ever gotten anything realistically off my face. I have some Bioderma in my bathroom right now. It's alright, it's whatever. But I'm not really going to go that close to my hairline. I will after the fact, but I really want to see if I'm going to get any like foundation or any kind of stuff off my actual face. So I'm going to do a cotton pad for each side. I really like the way the more inexpensive version of the Clarisonic got the brow gel off and my mascara off because of that constant circular motion. And you can see there's really nothing on my face. So now I'm going to go ahead and get all that UV out of my hairline so I don't look like a crazy person. Same thing. You can actually see more residue on this. Okay. Yes, there's orange on this, but like compare. This I haven't even gone into my hairline yet. This is after I showed you all that. Now I'm going to go into my hairline and get all the other UV off of me. Wow. Yeah, I should switch those. I'm actually impressed. So there's more foundation on my Clarisonic side than there is on the Duvolle side. There's more mascara. There's more of that powder blue liner. That's going away finally. That was a look, but the second I went outside I started squinting like this and I got that shit all over my crease. I was a little annoyed. Wow. Okay, so for the price that you pay for this thing, I'm actually really impressed. I'm excited to get to know, this is gonna sound so creepy. I'm excited to get to know this a little bit better in the bathtub. Whatever, I said it. With the body buffer brush and the exfoliating tool on my toes. And my husband's feet. You know what? Screw it. He's a gross ass guy. Just kidding, he's adorable. Oh, and this is the exfoliating brush. This is not the cleansing brush. So, and with this one, this is the Radiance brush, and I have like an acne brush, and so this one's a little bit more stiff, so these are more on the same playing field, I feel like, as opposed to using something that's like baby soft with something that's not so baby soft. So I gotta say, this is pretty awesome. That's the brand name again. Of course, this is the size. I'm just gonna leave the brush heads off and like leave these sitting out so they dry a lot better. The only other thing is I guess that it had a case, because I do like rinsing out my Clarisonic and then putting this on it so it can actually drain but not like get all frayed and like messed up. Those are nitpicking details. I fully accept that I'm nitpicking. That's fine. Wow, look, my countertop is like a mess. So, whatever. Alright, my face is clean. Mission accomplished. I'm pretty impressed by this kit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you to the brand Duvolle for sending me free product. That's the first thing anybody's ever sent me for free. I am shook. I am excited. And like I said, I'm impressed. I do want to say, so let me just say this before we sign off. So Clarisonic, if you're looking for a Clarisonic, buy them on sale. You can always find these on sale in different times of the year or different places, whether it's a Sephora coupon, an Ulta coupon, Ulta points, heyo. But the way I actually got mine was, A, it was a gift. B, my lovely mother got this off of QVC, HSN, one of the two, and it came with a year's supply of brush heads. So I got 4 brush heads plus the one that came on it and a bag, and I want to say it was under 150 bucks. Plus it's a magnetic charger. I'm never going to be going through batteries. Batteries are never going to end up in a landfill. you know, there's a full circle situation there. I'm pretty sure I can recycle batteries. I'm rambling. The other one, of course, being a little bit lower price point, if something were to happen, it get lost or left in a hotel room, something like that, it'd be easier to replace as opposed to the crying night and day that I would do over the Clarisonic, but I do like this. I could probably exfoliate my lips with this. Yes, queen. Yes. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go watch some of my other videos. They're fairly entertaining, and I do a lot of dumb shit like this, like holding a facial brush, Radiance Spin Care System up to my lips like it's a fucking microphone. So, this just feels good. Okay, my lips feel really good now. Like I said, all the information's in the box down below. Me and my bleach towel are gonna go do something else. I love you guys. I love your faces. See y'all tomorrow.